Yo, never fear, Ray G said we back with another video. Today, we are driving a Hellcat. So today, guys, I went to Dodge to drive a Hellcat. Unfortunately, they don't let you just test drive Hellcats. That sucks. They say you gotta buy a Hellcat to test drive it. Well, I wasn't in the market to buy a Hellcat today. I wasn't looking for that. I just wanted to drive a Hellcat and take nice pictures. However, at the same time, I will go ahead and give you guys game on what you can do to get your own Hellcat today. So rule number one, guys, before you go to any dealership, credit is key. This is how you can stack up your credit profile, juice up your credit profile to be able to afford a good interest rate on your Scat Pack or any other vehicle. I always say 700 credit score is must. Always have a 700 credit score, guys. Comparable card credit. If you are a person that has at least, so let's say the Scat Pack, one to do, I think it said was like between like 90K, really, like 90,000. If you have at least a 50K auto loan reporting, you can afford that. $45,000 auto loan, you can pretty much afford that. Because when you go and get these vehicles, guys, you're gonna want at least half the price on it. Now, if the car's like, let's say it was on sale, 66,000 or something like that, I believe I seen. You want at least a 35K auto loan reporting on your credit. There are ways you can do this. Number one, you can already have your vehicle reported on your credit, or you can go through and get backdated auto loans. Now, backdated auto loans are primary accounts that already shown most of your vehicle 95% paid off. So let's say you want to get a Hellcat, right? Let's say it was 90K, but you already have a vehicle on your credit profile for 50K, but it's like 95% paid off. You can go into a dealership, or you can go into your current bank or credit union and ask for a auto loan, get pre-approved, right? And let's say we go to, people bank with Capital One, right? Let's say pre-approve you for 100K because you already have a 50K auto loan reporting. You can take that auto loan that you either get in the mail or your pre-qualification that they email you, and you print it off, you take it up to the dealership, right? And you already tell them, hey, I got my information ready, I'm just ready to get this Scat Pack. And they won't have to shotgun your credit report with a bunch of inquiries. So that being said, guys, if you're looking for any credit resources, credit repair, business funding, tap in with me. Go to the link in the bio and fill out the business funding form. As we are on the business funding form opt-in page, there's a video that I made that's going to teach you how to get all 3 of your credit reports from Experian.com. So when you guys go on that, just watch the video, and I also have steps exactly on what you need to do on how to get your credit reports as well, and how to submit them at the very bottom. Once you submit them to me, you're going to get a text and an email saying that, hey, I've received the credit analysis, and that we will get back to you guys within 24 to 48 hours. Let's get it.